Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a super yummy baby broccoli and lentil soup that the whole family will be able to enjoy. This is a recipe that I really like to prepare to my kids during kind of a chilly cold evenings because it's warming, comforting, and it's super healthy and nutritious. Let's start together this baby recipe that is appropriate for babies starting from 10 months of age. Why 10 months of age? Because at 6 months of age, your baby's digestive system is not yet developed. So, if you're offering broccoli, that are the crucifix vegetable family, and legumes like lentils, you might have some side effects like gas, tummy ache, diaper rash, and in some cases even eczema. So you want kind of to start later with this kind of foods that they are super healthy, super nutritious. It's just the matter that your baby's digestive system is not ready too young at 6 months. So just wait around 10 months of age. Let's start together this lovely recipe. First thing to do, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large pot. Also the minced carrots, the celery, the garlic, and the onion. We are going to saute for 5 minutes at medium heat. Meanwhile, you can rinse the lentils under running water. Add to the pot the lentils, the fresh tomatoes chopped in small pieces, the tomato sauce, the broccoli florets chopped in small pieces too, the broth, and you can use any kind of broth that you like. If you want to check some homemade broth recipes, check the links here or the links up here. I'm also going to add the thyme, the cumin, and optional salt. Remember to skip the salt for babies under 12 months of age. Mix everything, bring to boil, reduce to simmer, cover, and cook for 15 minutes. At this point, only once cooked, add the apple cider vinegar, stir well, and switch the heat off. The soup is ready to be served. And now you have few options pending the kind of texture and consistency that you want to give to the final recipe. You can serve the soup like that with small pieces of food, or using an immersion blender, you can simply transform the soup in a super smooth and creamy puree. It's totally up to you and to your baby's taste. This is a super healthy, loaded with proteins and fibers recipe, super yummy, that you can serve warm to your little ones and to the entire family. My personal suggestion is to add to every plate 1 teaspoon of grated Parmesan cheese on top and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It's super yummy like that. I really hope you're going to enjoy this lovely recipe. If you have any comments, leave them in the area here below. If you're looking for ingredients, a procedure, and all the details, check the link to my blog here in the area below. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. Every single week you will receive a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao.